Did you know it took an entire night of horror to kill one man in 1916 Russia? Prince Yusupov was desperate. The mad monk Rasputin controlled the Tsar's family, and Russia was falling apart, so he hatched a deadly plan. First, they served Rasputin cakes and wine laced with enough cyanide to kill 10 men. He ate everything and smiled for more. Panicking, Yusupov shot him point blank in the chest. Rasputin collapsed, then got back up and tried to escape. The conspirators beat him with clubs until he stopped moving. But when they checked on the body, Rasputin's eyes snapped open, and he lunged at Yusupov's throat. They shot him 3 more times and dragged his body to the frozen Neva River, throwing him through a hole in the ice. Days later, the autopsy revealed the shocking truth. The poison hadn't worked, the bullets hadn't killed him, the beating hadn't finished him. Rasputin had died from hypothermia in the freezing water, clawing desperately at the ice above him. The man who seemed impossible to kill had finally drowned.